Your brain is lying to you, not casually, but constantly. Every hour, every morning, every night before you sleep. And if you don't fix the glitch I'm about to reveal, your brain will continue rewarding the exact behaviors that are quietly destroying your focus, your growth, and the future you keep imagining for yourself. Listen closely, because somewhere in this narration, I'm going to reveal the one habit proven to rewire your reward system faster than anything modern neuroscience has ever discovered. Let me ask you something. Have you ever experienced a full day where you did absolutely nothing meaningful, yet your mind felt strangely exhausted? Like your body rested, but your brain ran a marathon. That is the sign of a broken reward system. Your brain is handing out dopamine for things that don't matter. Scrolling, watching, tapping, refreshing. The same way it should reward effort, discipline, learning, and real progress. It can't tell the difference anymore. If you felt this too, comment yes. Let's see how many of us are living inside the same invisible trap. Here's the real problem. Your brain wasn't built for the world you're living in. It evolved for survival. Danger, hunting, slow progress, real challenge. But today, it meets a battlefield of instant gratification. TikTok, Instagram, endless notifications, ultra-fast entertainment, food engineered to trigger cravings. It's like placing a caveman inside a neon-lit casino. Every swipe is a slot machine. Every notification is a spin. Every like is a tiny jackpot. And the companies behind these apps, they don't just fight for your attention, they fight for control over your dopamine. And the craziest part? Your brain doesn't even realize it's losing that fight. Let me tell you a powerful story from a neuroscience experiment. Two monkeys were placed in two separate labs. The first monkey received food every time it pressed a button, a predictable, guaranteed reward. The second monkey? It received food randomly. No pattern, no rules, just uncertainty. Guess which one got addicted? Not the one with guaranteed success, but the one with unpredictable reward. Because the human brain, just like the monkey brain, becomes obsessed with unpredictability. It creates anticipation. It creates obsession. It hijacks motivation. And the truth is, your phone is nothing but a digital slot machine that lives in your pocket 24/7. If you're still watching, hit like. It helps retrain your brain to connect curiosity with learning instead of mindless scrolling. Now let's talk about fixing it. Not temporarily, not motivationally, but biologically. First, don't fight distractions, distance them. Self-control isn't about willpower, it's about environment. Put the phone out of reach while working. When distraction becomes physically distant, effort becomes mentally easy. Second, replace random rewards with earned rewards. Your brain heals fastest when it learns a new rule. Effort equals pleasure. Progress equals dopamine. Not scrolling, not noise, not stimulation. So whenever you finish something meaningful, a workout, reading, building, cleaning, creating, repeat one simple line. My effort deserves dopamine. It sounds small, but the brain responds to repeated emotional signals. You're literally rewriting the code. Third, use the 90-second urge rule. Whenever you feel the pull to check your phone, pause for 90 seconds. That urge isn't a need, it's a chemical spike. And if you don't feed it, it collapses. Most people don't know this, but almost every impulsive craving dies within 90 seconds if you don't touch it. Fourth, give your brain micro-challenges. Giant goals overwhelm the reward system, but micro-challenges, they create momentum. Micro-wins generate micro-dopamine, and micro-dopamine builds macro-discipline. Success grows from small victories, not dramatic battles. And now, the habit I promised you. It's called dopamine pairing, the fastest scientifically backed method to rebuild your reward system. Every time you finish a good behavior, finishing a task, learning something new, cleaning your space, working out, pair it with a tiny reward you genuinely enjoy. A walk, a song, a small treat, a short break. you're sending your brain a new message. Effort leads to reward. Reward comes after effort, not before. It's like training your brain the way an athlete trains muscle memory. Over time, your mind begins craving the actions that once felt difficult because it expects something positive at the end. That's how you rebuild a damaged reward system. If this opened your eyes even a little, then you've already taken the first step towards taking back control from the world that has been quietly controlling you. Subscribe if you want more videos that rebuild your mind instead of breaking it. And tell me in the comments, what should we fix next? Your discipline, your self-control, or your motivation? I'll see you in the next one.